Hey, this is Pete from Abstract Ocean. This is just a real quick video. Today we're going to install these sill protectors for the Model 3. They come in two finishes. I'll just put them on loose for now. We have the sort of brushed steel, and these are metal. So we have the brushed steel, which fit on like that. And then we also have a carbon fiber version. This isn't real carbon fiber, it's just a nylon coated carbon fiber effect on the same kind of metal protector. If I just pop that on there for a second, so you can see the difference. They both fit really well, super easy to install obviously, and that's what we're going to go through now real quickly. So we're going to install the brushed steel. On the back you have the usual 3M VHB tape. Before we use that though, we are going to just clean the plastic with an adhesion promoter. So plastic is generally regarded as a low energy surface, so it needs a bit of help to make sure that the bond is good. I'm using this, which is a 3M primer. In the final pack we ship, you'll probably have a wipe, but either way, the stick or the wipe, we're just going to snap it. And then you can see that the tape kind of just runs around the edge and then a strip across the middle. So all we're going to do is just kind of wipe around the edge. You definitely don't need to be very scientific about it, just to help with the adhesion. Do the same thing on this side. Get around here, because that's where it ends. And that just helps make sure the VHB tape takes. Now if you do need to pop them off, you just need to use a trim removal tool, like a pry tool. I actually just took these off for the purposes of the video, so they do come off pretty easily if you need to as well. Alright, so we're going to start with this one. We're going to pick off the red film. And it doesn't hurt to kind of do a dry run beforehand, just so you get an idea of what the positioning is on these. But yeah, they pretty much fit like a glove, so they're not difficult to install. Okay, so we've got the tape off there. So what we want to do is just kind of obviously maybe use this notch, which is the deflector pad for the trunk lid, but just use that. And we're going to bear in mind where the tape is. We're just going to kind of push it down into there and just kind of rotate it round. And now we want to look at this end as well to make sure it's on the lock side properly, which it is. And then just kind of push it home. And as easy as that. We'll do the other side now. We have the same things for the Frunk as well. It's a much smaller plate, but again they come in the same finish, and on the site we'll offer them as a set, so you can order a Frunk and trunk set if you want, or just order them individually. But they just add a nicer finish to the trunk. This is something that Model S had originally, back in the day. The signature Model S's had chrome or silver loading plates. Then they went and they came back in the performance, and now they kind of come and go. But originally all the Model S's had them as well. So same thing, we're just going to kind of push it into the nook between the rubber seal. And then looking at this end, just kind of rotate it round and then just push down on it. Right now it's still summer in Dallas, so it's roasting hot outside. But you do want to be doing this kind of, you know, somewhere around 70 or 21 Celsius or higher, just so that you get good tack or adhesion on the 3M tape. And there you go, we'll throw some photos up comparing the carbon fiber and the brushed steel finish, but they look pretty good. Just add a little bit of extra protection to your trunk and they look good. Thanks, bye bye.